Hello guys, welcome to Technical Minds. How are you? So this session is totally about AI Fabric. So today I will talk about AI Fabric, and in this presentation I have mentioned some points like that: basic terms before AI Fabric, what is AI Fabric, the machine learning models, and AI Fabric dashboard, and AI Fabric example. And after the session I will show you the live example of AI Fabric. So before we start AI Fabric, we all know very well about the RPA and RPA robots, and currently we are working on RPA technology. So basically RPA robots, rule-based business tasks with a low code and easy to implement. Example like that: email automation, PDF automation, Word, Excel, and web automation, etc. And I know we all have been already done these example of assignment. So now let's go in advanced mode. Why we use AI Fabric? AI Fabric. So there is a limit to do RP alone to automate more complex tasks such as customer sentiment analysis, understand natural language for voice and text, and many such cases. So in this complex task scenario where RPA needs to work with AI intelligence, I means artificial intelligence, then AI Fabric come into the picture. So now I will talk about what is AI Fabric. As you can see that I have already mentioned Fabric points, AI Fabric all points. So Fabric is a machine learning platform that allow you to deploy, manage, and improve machine learning model within a studio. So in normally easy language, we can say that AI Fabric is a combination of RPA and AI. And one more thing, for use AI Fabric, you will have to change your community plan license into enterprise license edition. And next thing is machine learning models. So in AI Fabric consists three part of model. First one is ML package. So when we will create a new package, new project of AI Fabric, then we will have to create ML package. We can upload your own package, and here we can also delete unused or undeployed packages. And the second one is ML skills. And ML skills are ready to use RPA workflow once it will deployed on orchestrator, then we can directly use in our studio. Basically ML skill pages provide us detailed information like ML status, package name, version, etc. And third one is ML logs. ML logs means that machine learning machine language logs, and it is provide details information about ML events, packages, validation, deployment, and errors, etc. And next one is AI Fabric dashboard. Fabric dashboard. Now let's give me a quick review of AI Fabric dashboard. When someone will create an AI Fabric project, then next process come to modify project. So in the dashboard section is provide you to all the details. We can edit or delete our project from here. As you can see that I have already created one project, that name was first project and created by Ankit Kumar. This is my first project. This is a description. This is a timeline of what time I have created this project, and this is data sets. Actually I have not created any database, so it will not showing in this slide. And this is ML package which I have already created in my orchestrator. And next one is dataset. Dataset basically are used to train AI model. We can create a new dataset, or we can update or folder. We can update or upload folder from here. And the next one is data labeling. So data labeling is all about UiPath document understanding scenario. And next one is ML package, and this one is a most important option of AI center or AI fabric. So as you know, I have been already told you about ML package, but there I want to add some important points. As you can see in the slide here, two option: upload zip file and out of the box package. So in first one option, here you can upload your own package, and second one option, here you can use already existing package. When I will choose this option, then there is a different option available over there, like that: image analysis, language analysis, and translation, and language translation, etc. So now I want to tell you one more thing here. Some packages are available non-retainable, or some packages are retainable. So if I use retainable, so it will be required to create a data set or pipelines. And in the case of non-retainable, it will be not required to dataset and pipeline. So next option is the pipeline of dashboard of AI center. So pipeline represent the description of ML workflow, including all the function of workflow. And so basically if we have to choose non-retainable ML package, so pipeline are not required. which I have already told you in previous slide. And next one is ML skill. So ML skill is actually deployment of package version, which ML skill you will created here. You will create here after the deployment on orchestrator. It will show on your UiPath Studio under the ML skill activity. After this session, I will show you in my orchestrator, which I have already created ML skills in my orchestrator. So if you create a ML skill, it will take some time to deploy on orchestrator. You will have to wait. Uh, so you will have to wait some time. And the last one is the ML logs. So this option also I have already told you in previous slide. But once again, all the logs will be available over there. So that was the quick walkthrough of all option AI Fabric dashboard. So now this one is AI Fabric example. So now I will show you the real example of AI Fabric. So basically, in this example, our bot will take input text in German language from user, and it will convert this text into English language with the help of ML package, which I have already told you in previous slide about ML package. And same thing again, bot will again take input in English language, and it will convert into German language with the help of ML package. So now let me show you the example in UiPath Studio. So this is my bot, and which I have already created. Then I will run this bot. So my bot will take a German my so my bot will take input in German language. So after that, ML skill with the help of ML skill activity, bot will convert this text into German, and in next sequence, bot will display this text converted into English language, and after that again bot will take input in English language and convert into German language, and bot will display this text into German language in this sequence. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to run this project. So now my bot is taking input in German text. So first I will copy this text. This is a how are you in German language, and I will paste here and click on OK. So after some time, bot will convert this text into English language and display the output. So my bot is displaying the output. English text is how are you, and if I click on OK, then same things again. Bot will taking the input in English language. So if I copy this text how are you, and I paste in this section and click on OK. So after some time, bot will convert this text into German language, and now bot is displaying this output in German text. German text is this one. So you can compare both text is same. So basically this work is doing with the help of ML package and RPA. So we can say that the combination of RPA and artificial intelligence is the AI fabric. So that's all about from my side, and my next slide is the thank you.